सही राइट क्वेश्चन है. सो व्हाट वी हैव generally what I have told that my friends have some side steady source of income if possible.
Right.
If wife is working very good, very well, so wife will support definitely. And second is definitely have some alternate source of income parallelly. Start working towards that. It can be in the some consultancy. It can be definitely the organization should be aware if they are selling any of their bandwidth. But it can be also not. For example, in my case, I took a franchisee of 2 shops.
Okay.
मुझे लगा उन शॉप से मुझे कुछ स्टडी इनकम आ जाएगी. One was into the food sector and one was into the hair sector.
अच्छा.
है ना, तो उससे लगा मुझे वो हो जाएगा. एंड देन उसी से के बहाने मैंने फिर शुरू किया. डेफिनेटली वाइफ के सपोर्ट था. सो सेम थिंग टू देम. आई टोल्ड देम कि कुछ सेकेंडरी सोर्स ऑफ इनकम बनाओ. कुछ एक लेवल तक आ जाए बहुत अच्छी बात है. एंड और इफ यू हैव आइडिया एंड बैंडविड्थ, if you can find a co-founder who can implement your idea and bandwidth to start with parallelly, let them implement. You become as an investor for them. Definitely कोई भी कंपनी इन्वेस्टर बनने के लिए मना नहीं करती. There are lot of मतलब आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो if you are not active. So invest in that company. Ask your co-founder to start working in that direction.
Right.
Give them direction, contact, source जो भी होता है. And if you see it has taken some steps, traction is there. You can get steady source of income. Resign from your job and फिर join करो. So जैसे even for example prior to my startup I was earning 3x or 4x of this. So I took 25% cut in the salary and then I started this startup. So वो तो मैंने बोला उनको कि you have to control that.
Yeah.
It's not कि जितना भी तुम earn करो मतलब इस level पे हमारे age पे उतना मिलेगा तुम्हें. So you have to limit your मतलब वो liabilities.
अपनी expenses को limit करना पड़ेगा.
वो तो that's what one of the advice I gave.